Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing on the 5 things never to do in the kitchen. Before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my videos. I love you all so much. Thank you. Okay, let's get into it. Number one thing to never do in the kitchen is avoid leaving your hair open in the kitchen. It's very unhealthy. Please, whenever you are going to the kitchen, try as much as possible to cover your hair, because whenever someone sees hair in your food, is a sign of a dirty person. Person will just assume that whoever that made the meal is a dirty person. Do you get? So that is why you should cover your hair whenever you're in the kitchen. So number two thing never to do in the kitchen is don't lick your cooking spoon. Please don't ever do that. It's so irritating and disgusting. Don't ever lick your cooking spoon, because number one, the spoon might even burn your tongue, and it's not even healthy to do that anyway. So avoid licking your cooking spoon. If you want to test anything, just take it to your hand or take it to your plate and test from there. It's better instead of it's so not good. Okay, so number three thing never to do in the kitchen is don't leave your kitchen dirty before preparing any meal. Before you start making any meal, get into your kitchen, clean it up, wash the dirty plates, arrange everywhere, sweep your kitchen, mop it, make sure everywhere is clean before you start cooking, because it's even going to help your cooking process more easier. You get? Number four thing never to do in the kitchen is don't soak your cooking knife in a bowl, because you might just forget that the knife is in there, and it's very risky, because I've seen an auntie that got injured through this process. She forgot that there was a sharp knife in the bowl, and all of a sudden she wants to, like, after cutting pomo, she wants to like bring out something and she got caught. So in that process, don't leave your cooking knife in a bowl. You might just forget and get injured. So number five thing never to do in the kitchen is leaving dangerous substance in the kitchen. Things like hypo, insecticides, and other poisonous substance. Don't leave them in the kitchen, because you might just mistake might happen, and it might not be from you, it might just be from a family member. So just take note of these 5 things and don't do them in the kitchen. Thank you for staying up till now. Thank you for watching my video to this moment. I love you all so much.